Hey YouTube, RC Flyer, going to take up the Turbo Timber SWS. Love this plane. A little windy today, but yes, good test to see how well she does. You can hear the wind. Windsock is blowing. I'm at the Winston-Salem RC Club, and again, I got this plane at Anderson RC in North Carolina. And again, remember to support your local RC hobby stores and your local RC airfields and clubs. She's blowing hard. I'm not going to need any flaps today with this much wind. All right, let's take her up again. Plenty of power. And that's with the wind. Oh, you can see the wind pushing it. About 30% throttle. See, that's fine in the wind. Give her some more. Low pass. Bring her back out. Try to keep her away from the sun. Woof! I'm gonna have to be careful. Fly her upside down. Back around. And of course, as soon as I take this plane up, the wind gets even worse. So, of course that happens. Nice and slow into the wind. Give her more throttle so she can get out of it without any issues. And unfortunately, it's kind of a crosswind right now, so this is gonna be fun landing. Of course.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Oh yeah. Don't want to stall her. And into the wind, nice and slow. Nice and high, I feel comfortable. Just doesn't make for a good video. Nice loop. Back around, low pass into the wind. Oh yeah, look at that wind just push it. Just pushing her.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
I'm gonna do one more pass and then we're gonna take her in for a landing. All right, guys. Now I'm gonna take her in for a landing. One more round. Hopefully I don't mess this up. Yes.